Your car is trying to tell you something expensive is about to happen if you do not pay attention right now. Today we are looking at the P0546 trouble code, which points directly to your exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit being high on bank 1 sensor 1. This essentially means the computer in your vehicle is seeing a voltage signal that is way out of the normal range, specifically from the sensor located right before your catalytic converter. Its primary job is to act like a thermometer for your engine to make sure things do not get so hot that they literally melt your expensive emissions equipment. Since this is a generic powertrain code, it applies to most vehicles made after 1996. But remember that the exact location might shift depending on whether you drive a Ford, a Chevy, or something else. If you have swapped out your stock exhaust for a catless up pipe or a custom setup, without a spot for this sensor, that is almost certainly why your check engine light is staring at you right now. You might not feel anything different while driving, but behind the scenes your computer is struggling to manage fuel ratios and timing to keep the heat in check. In diesel engines, this sensor is even more critical because it tells the truck when to start cleaning the diesel particulate filter. Common causes usually start with simple electrical issues like loose or corroded connectors or wires that have rubbed through their insulation and are shorting out. To fix this, you will want to get under the vehicle and find that sensor near the exhaust manifold or turbo. Give those wires a good look, and then pull out your ohmmeter to check the resistance. A healthy sensor should show around 150 ohms, but if you see less than 50, it is time for a new one. You can even test it with a heat gun to see if the resistance drops as it gets hot. If the sensor is fine, but you still have no voltage on the engine side of the plug, you might be looking at a computer issue. While some people use a 2.2 ohm resistor to trick the system and clear the light, remember that keeping your emissions system functional is the best way to keep your car running right for the long haul. If you are not comfortable messing with high heat exhaust components or electrical testing, that is exactly when you should head to a certified technician.